तो चलिए आपको सीधा लेकर चलेंगे दिल्ली, जहां पर चुनाव आयोग प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहा है।
Can we begin now? अब आपको आ रहा है वो?
Is it now audible to all of you? So, can we go ahead? Great. Great.
Kindly अब सेटल डाउन कर जाएं ताकि सर शुरू कर पाएं। कैमरा प्लीज सेटल कर जाएं ताकि हम आगे शुरू कर पाएं।
So, is it okay now? Okay. So, thank you for your patience, please. There was some technical glitch in terms of audio. Thank you for your patience.
आपके माइक्स यहाँ है, इससे तो आपको आउटपुट मिल रहा होगा।
Is it okay now? Okay. Thank you very much. और आप सबने धैर्य रखा ये टेक्निकल ग्लिच का. So, let's start now. My colleague, Honorable Election Commissioner Shri Anup Chand Pandey ji on my right and Shri Arun Goyal ji on my left, senior officers from the ECI, friends from the media, and before starting this press conference, as you all know, this is the first press conference in this year. So we want to wish you a very happy new year, and also that during the year we would keep meeting more often. This is just the beginning of the elections during 2023. तो लगातार आपसे मिलते रहेंगे. And happy beginning for the voters of Tripura, Meghalaya and Nagaland to join in the festival of democracy. Greetings to the voters of these three states. As you may be aware, the term of legislative assemblies of the three states of Nagaland, Meghalaya and Tripura are respectively coming to an end on 12 March, 15 March, 22 March. तीनों assemblies का जो term है वो इस दिन खत्म हो रहा है. The three states have 60 assembly constituencies each. Nagaland has 59 STs and just one general. Meghalaya 57 STs and 5 general, whereas Tripura has 30 general, 10 SCs and 20 STs. So friends, women participation in these three states in the earlier elections has been higher than the male participation. So it's a very happy trend to report to you. While each election has its own set of challenges, and despite difficult terrains in these three states have set this example of, as you are seeing, a female voter turnout of 86% as against 81% of male in Nagaland, 87% as against 83% in Meghalaya, and 91% in Tripura as against 87% in Tripura. तो इन सभी राज्यों में महिलाओं की भागीदारी वोटिंग में ज़्यादा रही है और ये विषय हम पूरे देश के समक्ष भी रखना चाहते हैं ताकि दिस इज़ अ गोल टू एस्पायर फॉर अस एंड ऑल्सो ऑल आर प्राउड वीमेन वोटर्स ऑफ द कंट्री. And not only the participation, their number also in the electoral roll is higher. This is also another very interesting thing in this case of these three states. all the 60 general assemblies, general assembly constituencies would go to the poll in these three states. As you all know, these three states are have the terrain related challenges, but Commission is committed to ensure the free, fair, participative, accessible and ethical elections in these three states. Friends, we recently visited these three states from 11th of January to 15th of January and met all the district collectors, SPs, senior police officers, CS, DG, all the enforcement agencies. So we want to report back to you what is the feedback and how would we tackle this. Let me in the beginning mention that all over the country there are only few states जहां अब प्री पोल, ड्यूरिंग द पोल और पोस्ट पोल वायलेंस बची है. अभी आपने पीछे 2 इलेक्शंस देखे, कोई वायलेंस नहीं थी. उससे पहले भी 5 इलेक्शन, उससे पहले भी 5 इलेक्शन देखे, देयर वाज नो वायलेंस. इट्स ओनली इन 2-3 स्टेट्स of the entire country which is left, and Commission is committed with the help of the district administration, district magistrates, SPs. We have told them very, very clearly that the society should have zero tolerance for any kind of violence during the elections. Actually, लोकतंत्र में हिंसा का कोई स्थान नहीं है और हम कमिटेड हैं कि इस राज्यों में भी इस तरीके से आगे बढ़ेंगे. If I show you the electors related profile, Nagaland has in all the state specific details are here and would be shared with you all. But अगर